Good morning from Oregon, YouTube. Today is my fourth video with regards to accessorizing my Moto C1000 Overland, which is kind of funny because when I made the first video, I thought that would be the only video that I did with regard to accessorizing this. So, for those of you that watched any of my previous videos, and I'll throw a link up top to the right there, or wherever it goes, you'll see that there's a video that talks about this exterior cage, which is great. I had these lights mounted right here, and then this front one mounted right here. But as you'll see in a second, that got in the way of the next accessory, which is that bag. It's kind of a cool bag. I put like chairs in it and a little, shade tent so that if we go somewhere we want to throw it up real quick, we've got that in there and it stays in there nice and neat. And I believe it's somewhat water resistant. Maybe water. It's not waterproof, but the way the zipper is, it's kind of underneath there. So gotta imagine I'm not gonna be riding this thing in the downpour and rain anyway, so, or snow. But that was this was easy just to change. So you can see how beefy these mounts are. So I just attached that to that crossbar and that worked out great. But the dilemma was mounting these. And actually Moto has an OEM bracket that's right there. And where's my finger? And then it gets held on by this contraption, which, by the way, there are holes in this. I don't know if you can see that or not, where those go on each corner. Now, here's a pro tip on these brackets. That weld right here on this cage prevents this from sitting flat. So what I had to do was just loosen this at the four corners. Well, there's actually 6 points. So I just loosened it and lifted this up, put on the bracket, and then set this back down and tightened it. So in a sense, this sits on top of the bracket. And then that, provides even more stability. That's not going anywhere. And then, I don't know, this is kind of hokey, this whole system. They could have come up with something better to secure that. But that's kind of the pro tip of these brackets. These are OEM and you can find them online. And so that's how I mounted these lights. And what it did was it freed up all the room up top here so I could put the bag on and it would fit nice and securely like it's supposed to. So stand by and let me throw the bag up there. I'll be right back. And here it is with the bag on there. Literally took me, I timed it. It took me 45 seconds to put this bag on, and it anchors there. And that just goes around the bar there. Anchors there. That's just a Velcro there, and then the same around the other side. So this baby's secure, it's not going anywhere, and it's cool. You can it's got tie downs here if you want to put something up there. But again, this is OEM. You know me, I'm a big fan of the OEM stuff because it just fits right. But that is the new bag and the repositioning of the lights, which gives me room to put that bag in. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask, and hope you have a great day. Thanks again.